55. Brian Zimmerman from Mount Gilead. 711. Bill Browning from Marengo. 04. 04 is number 13. 13 from Grove City. Justin Lumpy Webb. All right. Oh, Lumpy, I'll bet he's a local Joe. Oh, 03, Joe Hogan from Columbus. We are in Franklin County now. I got to get the one and only Hill County Fair. Number 5. Can't read, really worried from Catapult. David Blackburn. Number 94. Number 94, Danny Jewell. Looks like the last car in. Boy, it looks pretty slick too. Last car in. Well, the web car over there is not. Number 13. Looks like a pretty great buggy. And in the blue car, 512. 514. Looks like he's in pretty good shape. The others have been a bang the road. All right, we're ready for the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Thank you very much. These guys over here are getting crazy from the bystanders. All right. Got a couple more down. these guys over in the corner need a good hit so that they can get apart and get going again. Fly over here, yeah. They're just a little way like at the head of the front end. We got a segment front end. And now you're down to 4, right? Down to 4. Number 5 here now. Down to 4 cars. Oh, okay. Get lined up, guys. Go for it. One of you is going to be eliminated. Oh, what's it? Oh! He's not well there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's a good hit. There's another one. Old 4 hit to make a good hit. Oh, 13 seconds to reach down. I think my luck, I wrote the wrong number on the car. Oh. Oh, my. Yeah, there's a little car over there. Look out the car. We're down to 4, right? Over down to 3. That's the end of that, and they'll go right on to the next. They'll go to the main feature. You got Z55, Brian Thurman, not good. 7-11, Bill Bryan for Ringo, and 04, Vernon Mike from Tiffin. Right behind him is 62. From Plain City, A.J. Walker. All right, looks like A.J.'s got the hometown band. 017 from Kenton, Jeremy McLean. Jeremy McLean. $812, Andrew Magello, Grove City. Hometown boy here, Andrew. Number 19 from Galloway, Matt McClure. F1 from Marengo, Don Fisher, Netterball County boy. 69 plus 2. Tell me what the plus 2 is. 69 plus 2. Jericho Leemaster from Columbus, 69 plus 2. I'll tell you what, that's a sharp-looking car. That's probably the nicest looking car that's been here. We'll see old 69 too, and he's got the low life on the back. #101, Larry Waddell from Grove City is the last car in the ring. Bring her on in, Larry. All right, we're about ready to go here. About ready to go, you guys tell me. Boys. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for it. That old 17 looks pretty nice too. I'll tell you what, we got a lot of work on that car. Track's gonna get a little better, a little drier, a little harder to hit. Oh yeah. If you like it, say so. Oh, man, that's a good hit from Marina Brumbo. Oh, daggone. I'm missing part of this. All right. I'll tell you what, good hit. Oh. Nice. Here comes Roy. Oh, 17 is back 8-12. Good one. Getting a pretty good fight here now. I hope I don't run it down. Let him go. Getting a little life again. He let off on it. All right. Yeah, save that powder for stuff. And they're going to hit. Oh! I'll tell you what, he's pretty slow life. He's got low cage hanging on the back here. He's going to pay him back. There he goes. Oh! Good hit. Good hit. I got a car jammed in the corner over here. Two of them, really. Now they're out running. Tell you what, they're hitting good. Put up in the corner and go for it. There we go again. Good hit there. F1 and 62 matched up. There we go. There we go. Oh! That's a pretty good crunching hit over there on the corner. There's a couple of them looking like compacts already. Not one bit. He backed up. There's a good hit. All right. Yeah, we got one that cycle. I'll tell you what, he got out there. He's playing back now. It's a good thing these guys got these helmets on. You can't breathe the wind. I'll tell you, everyone, he's getting into this now. He's getting into it. What's that? Oh, yeah. Holy mackerel. I think the hip bump got picked off somebody. That's the way it gotta go. All right. He's gonna hit her again. He's got a good heavy fire. What's that? Oh. Man, I thought this gonna fly. Get his life number. All right. And you know that kind of driving right there wasn't moving up. You duck. All right. We'll throw it back in a little bit. All right. He was swinging it up. All right. Old Trevor's spinning in, but he's in good shape yet. Old Trevor can't get it. Too much for me. There you go. That's back to doesn't, he can't even stay out of here in the winter now. 52, that's 88, that's Renee Walker. All right, Carol radiator blast. That little fire there, that's what they call a fire. He was burning tonight, that's it. There you are. Number 19, Magnum Close, still banging in there. Car's looking a little funny. That F1, John Leaser, he's moving again. Looks like we're down to 5 cars, is that right, guys? Looks like we're down to 5. Got a good run of motor there. Good one. Back in action. That's Jeremy Cartwright, Driftwood. I'll tell you what, that's 62. 62, oh wait, he's got a flat, and it's really going good on him. We're down to 4 now. We're down to 4. A.J. Walker, he cannot see where he's even going. Down to 4. We're down to 4. Look at this. Oh. I'll tell you what, they're hitting good. Alright, we lost a tire. 19's still running good. We're down to 4 cars are running. Something's going to happen pretty drastic because they're running good yet. It's going to take a little while for it to these guys. That little radiator problem with old 17, that could get them this quick there. There it goes. Look. No, back off. Get together, guys. Get together. That old 17, good running car. Jerry playing. Good hit. Good. I don't know how that flat car is getting as much traction as it is, but that's doing a good job. It's swinging a lot of mud our way. I don't think the car's flat. That's a cord, isn't it? 2 tires. He's got 2 tires on there? Oh. Well, that was a good thinking. All right. Still banging a hit. Go at it for a little while. Oh, well, I'll tell you what, he can almost stop him out of here. Good hit there, old 17. Jeremy McLean, Kent. Hey, we got about 3 cars lost up there now. Uh-oh. two still together. Got that one lonely car rolling around out there. Oh, I'll tell you what. Look like it broke that guy's neck. Over 60. I can't even read the number on this body now. That's 69 plus 2. Oh, that's 62. AJ Walker. I'll tell you what, 19 and 764. Old Jeremy and Matt. Roderick and the Warriors. Still battling it out. Keep going, guys. One of you has got to be eliminated. These guys are bound to get a little tired. That number 69 car has a nice looking car. All right, Tim Ryan from Galloway. Number 69, nice looking car. 67X, 67X, Nat. Matt Burkle Gel from Hilliard. Sorry, Matt. Nat, N-A-T-E, Nat. Sorry about that. 101. Tim Clark from London. 627. And that would be Jeff Clark Jr. from Wilford Center. 189. Jake Walker from Plain City. I'll tell you what, this is any relation to AJ, we're going to have a party here. Yeah! This 101, I like the paint job on that one. I look like that poured on insulation. That'd be good. It's too close. Take a beat. All right, 89 and 69 locked together already. They need a good hit. Jericho Lee Master, warm up to your own if you can, please. Jericho Lee Master, 69 plus 2. It's going to take some hitting there to get these guys to come off. Give him a good hit. He's helping him out. The 69 is so good here today. Tell you what, that 101 car is a small looking car. They've done a lot of straightening on that car to get ready to run again. 189, I bet he's happy to be running. Nice little love mat there. You really don't need a whole lot. Oh, he's running again. 69 on to go. Now on 69. I'll tell you what, these guys got to have things. One of them is a little more than half. All right, 69 is not looking so nice now. I'm actually off the kind of case. Hey, what? We still got 3 going. Still got 3 going. 69's up against the rail. 3 is all we need here. 3's on the clock. Yeah, just bring her on the road. All right, touch it again. There you go. All right, guys. There's the green. Jim Clark, 627. Jeff Clark Jr. from Welford City, Columbus. Number 27, Michael Harper, Columbus. Number 54, Matt Ham, Canal Winchester. Number 77, Tim Hardy, Galloway. All right, number 3, Adam Smiley from Hilliard, 052. Fred Daniels from Hilliard, 726. Amber Midley from Hilliard, 228. Josh Daniels from Grove City at 514. Killer Joe Shirt from Columbus. I'll tell you what, I bet he's a dandy. All right, signed in at Killer Joe Shirt. 514 he was, and 29 at Ryan Frazier, and last but not least, 927, Patrick Goboki from Hilliard. Tell you what, this is going to be a spam up battle. I'd be better off not saying nothing in this event. Which one? All right, keep it All right. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I just had a place. That car 77, compact car, that heavy problems, get with that, Mervyn. We always have problems down here.
Under a blanket.
Are we ready? The 514 still coming in. That's old Killer Joe Shirt. That's 514 from Columbus. This is gonna be good. saying, come on. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! I'll tell you what, they didn't know which way to go. They know which way to go. I like that number 77, that's got the sheriff scratch on the flag. That's the one that I think some bad one, though. I mean, he's a working steward. You talk about a sandwich, that one car is only 4 foot wide now, all the way. They can squeeze him right through there. Oh, these guys have a ball now. These are both all front-wheel drives, and they can move right along the river pretty good. And when you got 4 or 5 of them hitting at the same time, all right, good show, guys. Just a little quieter, sound like a bunch of bees above. Oh, right there's a good hard head on the guardrail over here. We had a couple already out. Hey, look, there's one car there. It's on 3 wheels. That's a 3-wheeler. That's 6 It's amazing how well it's held together. A lot of plastic in these cars. That's 29X, he's got a problem. 623 over there, the three-wheeler, he's not going too good. That number 44, he's hanging together, but he's got pieces flopping everywhere. That white station wagon. Oh, man. Good hit. 927, he's gonna hit somebody here. Guys, go ahead. Go ahead. These little guys, wherever they hit, they're light enough, and they move out of the road pretty easy too. They might be one of the safer cars on the road. They can turn around on time. Oh, good hit there, 44. Watch it. Oh, he's gone. A lot of tree on those tracks. Getting them narrowed down to about 6 of them. Down to about 6 now. Compacts over here, it takes 5 clicks for this keep. We're down to 5 right now. Okay, and those 5 will be in the running. We'll just keep going until the last one is running. Got them big tires on the front, little ones on the back. One of them even go anywhere, but they're driving off those front tires. Especially that 927, he's got the real little tires in the back, big tires in the front. All kinds of strategy here with these cars. We're down to 5 right now. Okay. They're all running. 5 is 5 now. On timer, but he got to move it again. He's moving again. 514 still in there. tell you what, his car is really banging up the back. 927, I'm sorry. 927. Yeah, Patrick from Hilliard. 514 count. 513 count is down to 4. Down to 4. 514 is in the mark. Oh, good hit. 27 still running strong. Black car on the left here. Still running strong. And 0903 from Mount Sterling, Steve Pollock is running good too. Now it's kind of hard for them to find somebody to hit that's still running. Somebody's got to pick them out. There's found him. Oh, but he's stopped. 27's running good too. That's Mike Harper from Columbus. Running good. Mike's running good. Number 27. Number 44. Irving Allen. Aaron Coker. Bellingham. Patrick Savovic Hilliard, he's having a little trouble, but I think it turned real good to the left, to the right, and it's got a right front flat tire coming off the rim. Straight, he's about done. Got a little black smoke here, guys, on that tire. Three good running cars right now. Good hit there. 27 Michael Harper running forward. At 44 from White State Wagon, Darren Coleman from Northern Hill. Still moving. 27 0903. Still looking pretty good. That's Steve Pollock from Mount Sterling. 0903. I don't know how they're moving, but the credit card's already on the turning. 44, you got one tire going, one the other. Front wheel. Not staring too good. Not staring too good. Still going strong. They want them to keep hitting. That's Patrick. Notice, Kaluski, still running. 927, they say he's out, but they can't get his attention. 927 says, boy says you're out. But you're in the money. That's number 4. He's number 4. Now we're down to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 7, 0, 3 and 44. Where are you guys going to put your money at now? Who's going to win that? Who's going to win that? 44 is down. He is number 3. 2 to go. It's all up to 0903 and 27. One's going to win. They're both running good. Neither one of them look very good. Probably they're going to have a face off rear end collision. There's no bang for a lot. 0903, he's going to go around and here it goes. Bring it on the road. Go the other way, 27. There you go. Now what are you going to do? I tell you what, that was close. Now what we're going to do? Tell you what, 0903, Steve Pollock. Right there, flat tire, and number 27. So Mike Harper, he's not got many tires either. They're still going good. They're going to have to find each other. Bang on, guys. That was driver door, but I'll tell you what, that messed up 27 right rear tire. That door is absolutely just a dangling. All right. So, things are going to come to a halt here in a little bit. That's a kind of a touch there. All right. There we go. I don't think it's really hurting each other there on that one. Still got this tire dangling out here on the right. Now you talk about a mess. That was a good one. Now one of them gets turned around and the other comes out. Oh my. He went after that back tire. And I think it's almost off of number 27. That tire's just hanging. He's running on three wheels. What's this? An easy one. I'll tell you what, I don't know what the difference is in first and second place, but they both could shake hands and split. Okay, they're telling there's $100 difference, so they ain't gonna shake hands on that. All right, bang 'em up, boys. Get it over with. Somebody gotta win, somebody gotta lose. You guys are gonna have to hit. I don't know what we're gonna do about it if you don't. Seven if I'm right, it's a winner. 903, second place. Number 27, Michael Harper. Won it.